My boxes from Island Batik arrived, and now I'm going to open them. Haven't opened them yet. And I have wrapping paper. That's always handy. And I have a cutting or a pressing mat, a wool alpaca mat from Prairie Spirit Alpacas, and I'm excited to be using that. Next, I have a corner pop ruler from Deb Tucker, and it'll be fun to use this. I have to use it in a challenge in, I don't know, August, September, sometime soon anyhow. So it's always fun to use her rulers. And I have a beautiful pre-cut. It's called Cheers. And look at all the beautiful colors. Just basically colors of the rainbow. And I have 2 yards of mini flower carnation to go with it, and 2 yards of dandelion plum. So those will make a beautiful, beautiful quilt. Don't know what I'll do, but there'll be something. Now I have a fabric bundle of 12 half cuts, and they put this tie around it. I'll have to put this tie in the scraps. So I have ice, midnight blue, ravine, bluebell, love these blues, a solid cobalt, solid orange, solid fuchsia, solid green, and then I have navy Cheerios and bubbles gray, and this one I know I've had before. Oh, here's the tag. Wavy Dots Bluebird and Dot Tin. So those are always good. They go often with the surprise packages and other collections that I receive in this package. And I have a wonderful package. This is by Annie, with fabric to make my project for my by Annie bag. And everything I need is in here except for the thread. And I have lots of that. So that will be fun to make. And I have 4 yard cuts of gray, white, and black, which is always useful. And I think I'm almost out of the white, so that will come in very handy. And I have a beautiful surprise package that's for one of the projects in the next 6 months. And obviously I can't show you. And that's it for this box. And box number 2. I have an Island Batik bundle here of, what is it called? It's Flourish. It's designed by Kathy Engel. It'll be shipping to the shops in September, and I will use this in the September blog hop. Look at the blues and oranges. Oh, this will be so much fun to play with. And I have some stash builder rolls. This one is blues, blacks, purples, green. And this one is orange on one side and greens, blues, dark blues on the other. So these are always great fun to play with. I have a roll of fusible batting strip, and this is great for rugs and baskets that I make, so that'll come in very handy. I have 6 yards of rice. This is my absolute favorite Island Batik foundation. It goes with almost everything, and I just love it. So I'm happy to see that again. I have a roll of Hobbs natural cotton batting with scrim, and this is a queen size bat, so that is so useful. I just love it. And I have 2 yards of coordinates that go with this bundle of fabric that I got here, and I have 2 yards of vertical vine orange and dots brown brownie. So those go, oh, that one's even in it. So those will be great to add to that challenge. I have a black Hobbs batting. It's 80/20. It's a queen size, and this goes really, really good when you've got a quilt with a dark background, and that's what I used in this one here, and it's just great. I know the first time I used it, I was a little bit worried that it might make the lighter fabrics a bit duller, but it doesn't. It's great. I just love it. I have a package of Thermore, and this is awesome for placemats, small projects, wall hangings, and it's nice and thin, but is great. And that's a queen size as well. And I have a cotton wool bat, and this is awesome when I want to do something where I really want the quilting to show. This wool is just perfect. It just drapes so nice and is lovely to quilt with. And last but not least is a Tree of Life AccuQuilt die, and I have to use this for a project in July. And I'd like to thank Island Batik, Hobbs Batting, and Prairie Spirit Alpacas, and by Annie for everything that I have received, and AccuQuilt. So thank you very much.